We can use the order by keyword to sort result sets by one or more columns. We can see in this example that not specifying the order method, the output is automatically sorted by ID in ascending order by default. So you can see here that we have our basic select statement. We're selecting all the records from users, and our echo statement. And we're going to be outputting the ID, first name, and last name. So this is the default sort method. Now you can see it's in ascending order by ID. We can change the order to descending by using the DESC abbreviation. So if you plug that in after users and press refresh, we're now sorting in descending order by ID. We can sort by multiple columns by specifying the column names separated by a comma. So say, for example, we want to order by first name and then order by last name. So if you add these two column names in your SQL statement, save the page and press refresh, we're now sorting by first name, and you can see that the second sorting is by last name.